middle of these circles, do you see my eye in the middle?
Yes.
Can you make a circle like this? Two circles together? Yep. Good. So in the middle of both the circles, you are going to put what is the same about something. And on the outside of both circles, where both your eyes can fit, are things that are different. So let's do an example. Let's talk about Bonnie and Yuju. Okay, Yuju. So let's talk about you and Bonnie. Can you tell me one thing that is the same about you and Bonnie?
Girl, we are
You
girl.
guys are both girls. So Yuju, you told me one thing that is the same between you and Bonnie. Are you going to put it on an outside circle or the middle circle?
Neither.
The middle circle. So good. Let me write here on the screen to see if I can help. So you're going to put the things that are the same here in the middle circle, right? All right. Can you tell me something that is different? Can you tell me something that is only Yuju has? We're going to put it in the red. Tell me something just about Yuju. How old are you, Yuju?
8.
You are 8. So let's just say for this game, we're going to say that you are 8 and Bonnie is 7. So on the red line, on the red side with the circle, we're going to say Yuju is 8.
Miss,
Yes?
Bonnie is 9.
Oh, Bonnie is 9. So good. So you guys are different ages. So then under the pink arrow, we're going to say Bonnie is 9. Right? Can you think of something else that is the same with you and Bonnie? Where are you both from?
Korea.
You guys are both from Korea. So would that go in the pink circle, the blue circle, or the red one?
Blue.
The blue, right? Because it's something you guys have in common. It's the same. Now, your name is Yuju. Is Bonnie's name Yuju?
No.
No, right? So it's different, right? So your name is Yuju. You will put that in the red side. Her name is Bonnie. You'll put that in the pink side because they are different, right? And now you are shorter and Bonnie is taller. So you can write shorter on the red circle because that's Yuju's circle, and you can write taller in the pink circle because that is Bonnie's circle. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So do you understand the difference between the 3 circles? Okay. So now let me share with you tonight's homework. Let me share my screen when it opens. Still open.
Okay.
And then we can do it together. Okay, so here's the PowerPoint is opening and all right, it's just being a little slow. You want to try another things that we can compare and contrast? So how about we talk about Yuju and Donghoon? Can you tell me something that is the same?
other Anna.
There are a lot of things about you guys that are the same, right?
Yeah.
You guys are both from Korea. Good. What else? Can you tell me 2 more things?
8.
You guys are both 8 years old. That's right. Now, can you tell me 1 more thing?
We learn AP.
You guys both learn and study at APU. Great. Now, will you put that in the middle circle or on an outside circle?
Meter.
That's right. Okay, so can you tell me something that's only about Yuju?
Sir.
You're a girl, that's right. What else?
Long hair.
You have long hair. So good. In Yuju's circle, you would write girl and long hair. So that means in Donghoon's circle, you would write boy and
Short hair.
good job. Okay, Yuju. So I'm first going to show you. I'm going to show you the PowerPoint again, okay? From today. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, so share. So today we learned about 2 new planets and the small dwarf planet Pluto. So we had Uranus and Neptune. I'm only going to talk to you today about Neptune and Pluto because that is what you need to know for your homework today. All right, so let's read again. What is it that we know about Neptune? So Neptune is the 8th closest planet to the sun. Can you count to 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good, can you show me the 8 fingers? Now, I have a trickier question. Can you count backwards from 8 to 1?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. So Neptune is the 8th planet. And it's so far from the sun that it's cold. It is always frozen like a popsicle or ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Is it hot or cold?
Cold.
So now imagine that Neptune is like ice cream on top of an ice cream cone, right? If you lick it, it's really cold. Maybe you could even get your tongue stuck. All right, and it has 14 moons. 14, is that bigger than, is that greater than, or less than 8? $14 greater than or less than 8?
Greater than.
It's greater than, right? So we learned 3 things about Neptune. It's the 8th planet, it's very cold, and it has 14 moons. Good. Let's go to the next slide. And it's so big. It is so much bigger than Earth. How many, look at the picture, Yuju, how many Earths do you think can fit inside Neptune? How many? If we get the little Earth in the picture and put it inside Neptune, how many do you think would fit?
20.
There? 20? Maybe, right? Maybe 20. All right, so now let's learn about Pluto.
Pluto.
Pluto is actually Miss Bia's favorite planet. I think it's so cute and small. But Pluto is not a planet. It's so small that it's considered a dwarf planet. And dwarf is another word for something small. And it's after Neptune. So since Pluto is after Neptune, it makes it planet's number what?
9.
It makes it planet number 9. Good. And it has 5 moons. Do you remember how many moons Neptune has?
14.
It has 14. Good. So Neptune has 14 moons and Pluto has 5. Which one is greater?
14.
14. So Neptune has more moons. Good. And let me show you. This is the picture of Pluto. What colors do you see on Pluto?
Red, blue, green, white.
Good. And what colors do you see on Neptune?
That's the blue.
Just blue, right? Okay. So, and as you can see in this last picture, Pluto is very, very small compared to the Earth. So, if Pluto is this small, Earth is this small, Neptune must be this big, right?
Pluto like
Yeah, Pluto's very small. So if you want to talk about it like a family, Pluto would be the little baby. Earth would be the child or the kid. And then Neptune would be mom and dad, right? They just get bigger